In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add to list bagels in Trader Joe's. We'll start right on the Trader Joe's website. Open your web browser and head to the home page. Once you're there, focus your attention on the left-hand side of the screen. You should see the main navigation menu, and that's where you'll begin. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand the menu or scroll slightly to see all of the options. Click on Products to open the full set of shopping categories. From there, choose Food. This takes you into the broader food selection so you can narrow things down by aisle. On the food page, look for the bakery section. It's organized with other categories, so take a moment to scan the list until you see bakery, then click it. Inside bakery, find the bagels subcategory and select it. This brings up all of the bagel options currently listed on the site. You'll see a grid of product cards with names and photos. Take your time scrolling through to find the variety that looks good to you. Plain, seeded, cheesy, or any other style that's available. Keep in mind that availability and packaging can vary by location, so the exact selection you see might change from time to time. When you spot a bagel you like, click the product to open its details page. Here you can get a better sense of the item before adding it to your list. You'll typically find a description, photos, and sometimes notes about how to enjoy or store the product. Most importantly, this page includes the nutrition facts and the ingredients sections. It's a good idea to expand these and review them, especially if you track calories, watch sodium or sugar, or have dietary preferences. The ingredients list is also where you'll confirm the presence of common allergens or check whether the product aligns with your needs. Once you're comfortable with the choice, look for the Add to List button on the product page. It's usually located near the product name or price area. Click Add to List. If you're shown a prompt to choose or confirm a list, simply pick the one you want and proceed. You should see a quick confirmation that the bagel has been added. That's it. You've navigated from the home page to products, into food, then bakery, and finally bagels, reviewed the details, and added your chosen bagels to your list. From here, you can go back to the bagel results to add more varieties or continue browsing other categories the same way. Your list is a convenient place to keep track of items you want to pick up on your next Trader Joe's run.